Akufo Addo the presidency si awo. Kusiaga. Yensha bete no Subi MP Kosa Obusa Ebracha almost starting.
Of our water bodies and natural resources. Will you support the placement of a ban? For example, say 2 years to facilitate the restoration of our water bodies and natural resources. Will you support such a ban?
Chairman, as I've said, we know the challenges we face: degraded land, polluted water bodies, destruction of our forests. These are very grave issues. It requires a real approach. It doesn't require ad hoc measures, and I believe that we must take our time to find the solutions that will be long-lasting. When I'm given the nod, I will do the right consultation.
Will you support the placement of a ban? For example, say 2 years to facilitate the restoration of our water bodies and natural resources. Will you support such a ban?
Chairman, as I've said, we know the challenges we face: degraded land, polluted water bodies, destruction of our forests. These are very grave issues. It requires a real approach. It doesn't require ad hoc measures, and I believe that we must take our time to find the solutions that will be long-lasting. When I'm given the nod, I will do the right consultation.
Will you support the placement of a ban?
Enunti, Supreme Member of Parliament Busai calling for the placement of Busai and say about consultation. Now I share. Now, Kofi Amabo to just say there will be no new mining activities in forest reserves under his watch as lands minister. There is a law. Because Asante Boakye say kopim se mra no yebetwam no. Nipa na ho no ontumi mfa tumi bi nkopam no. Say onsisa ne niam mfiri ho because we abanfo fra waba. Eye mra o de kokko to sesia esika yebetwa e de abano for say wase ye forest kra no. Enu nti no emra ne fan article say 2462. Aye nyina ye ko senka omukọ amanko omukọ ko ntokwa no. Emra na ehumi o. Eda ho.
Your forest
reserve mra no. Na me hwe ni mu senka. Omo sentokwa ne bae no. Eda so da ho. Etie bia Kofi Amabo na eba de akọ parliament anase.
O ka so be repeal enra no.
Aban no koye ho adwuma. Now, what we are hearing is a group believed to be NDC affiliated group. I could take over at Tiwa Forest. And I don't know if you are out here, Santa Mera.
Yes, only Anglo good for.
Anglo good for. Yeah. Or say the fact say what bad does not call for impunity. Now, Omanhene Kasai. Okasai pa say o kan pay womo gu hono ma sabio oye neto womo no womo mu hwan e na oboase kro no kro free mu a obetimi de ne sasi ni wakeka say asase we ye media na akoba say BBC a hwan pa de betimi free Asante Memu akọ esirema na region foforo a won free ho a obetimi de ne sakosi ni bu say asase ne ye ne dia. Omanhene said that impunity is becoming too much here. So he called on the president to call his people to order and the party leaders. Omanhene Kasa. You be heard the other day. You be free moaba. Na and also so idea a course. Now Omo mako je Tiwa Forest mako take over. Omo could take over so omo could do a good deal and I say Tiwa Forest mining be course no mako pamo man I said. Just say Ghana pa asemo na Asante Bantam regional minister designate enra otutu ni kente fra Asante entoma nkasa e converting be ba jo video no wa bu bi tie kakra
Very much, Mr. Chairman. The region is predominantly MPP, and as such it reflects in the parliamentary seats. In order to navigate this challenge, I would ensure that I would constantly engage with my members of parliament within the region, in order that we can all have a clear blueprint and a framework for the development of Ashanti region. It is only when they are left or kept in the dark that is the only time that they will come out and agitate, because they would not understand the direction within which we are moving the region. So I want to assure Mr. Chairman in the House that when giving the nod, I'm going to work closely with all members of parliament within the region, and also ensure that the MMDAs, the chief executives there, partner well with their MPs so that they can bring development into the region. At least we have 4 years, if all things be equal. Let's use the first 3 years to develop the region. We can do all we want in the election year, but I'm sure that if we're able to commit all hands on deck within the first 3 years, we should be able to turn things around for the better for the region. Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. Very much, Mr. Chairman. The region is...
All right. Mamebra, as I tell you, let me just say for starting from Koma, Honorable Frank, Omanhene Yaw, all Kase, a region here predominantly MPP. It is even showing our parliamentary seats. Neighbor Infemi Sano, he's calling on all hands to be on deck. Now, Munya Day, young developer Asante. I fear Becanom don't pay Panya Manusem.
Last year,
no, the anti Omuntingum, then Infemi and Sunday, region here and Punto. Mammy, too.
Well, I'm just Honorable Frank Dog or Kansem Ahodobe Dubi. One was Okada, and also bar or be regularizing more operations in Ama. Now, or say or the bill cry and say we are back to Parliament, however, I need the meaning for now. But we didn't say no German bit my conquest in your bill. And what you work unemployment. A Juma Mabuno was 7 centimeter being or by and no kind agriculture, Kuyono, Obama I am Mabuna Conona or Motimi. Adeomo akwa room. In fact, was our cancer social media crown or bar is going to leverage it in the platform now. What me
I know which my because on our social media frenzy. On the WC TikTok.
Simply now there you able boys. Oh my yeah na pimpino. And what kind of development in Puntu and Kasawa sentiment the most uncompleted projects, especially Santa Fe project be was anymore. On my Okata when your project be no Kumasi for her nimu say. And this is buy a mampay mama dano by a central market and a crew full market. Yeah. Some market minui, or mutim first 1.5 years, 2 years corner, Kumasi for be little relieved. Na nipa sebia bought don't pay more quemu, central business district, the bit my boama near Matima Konkama region. Because a dread DNA identifying Kumasi for as a nipa was antimantimas intino. Honorable crew full market. Mama kohona adwane so papa papa meti maka say so yi ke get the free wa any the second because cars cry be fa ho and nam say crofom there no man why sentino oba na first mo call ball gane this long journey o ma take advantage say bi wu ebigu crofom ho na to papa na bi wo
obia edi ni nkui e wona Josuo
enti ebasa na emma omo antimi nyina faako obi aginaje bi ebasa traffic is all over the place enti no ebeboa say urban say be sika hye bia onko hwe primary project yesa wo keje ayi Kumasi friends G ho no man hospital na omo kase maternity block no so eno so is ongoing sa project mi ensan we nyina friends eno no friends airport
no kind also a medical doctor anti
definitely no say then akoma pros because my mama kasa do the first ever consider and I is watching no or can say keje friends G ho no eho aba peso mpo so mi ni pani bi Kumasi sa the ye esiwa friends se wuwa ho ba say ebeboa ma congestion a koso amanfo entimi nye no ebeboa na ma content entimi de papa we friends say o man region mi say yini die a wo be o man mi ji say nsem de waka o make sure say nsem a waka e be daily reminder o be kai no ho empanifo say atie o yi e ma refi o man minister si nyina nsem o kan nyina ede the papa ama kofi bu ansema okay maybe why a political message opposition obeka oba power na the reality is always down on you ya nsim bi wa wontimi enyi ya no because na obriye bu ansema no question obusa if he has dealt further we say you have ended trying to even to expose so many things and na ekoso intimi dem say enye ensema ne kan say ya bie kwa wanya akonya na say wo kan nsem na ensema ma free vetting for the first minister at forcing ebesi nua dia northern regional ministers and some man put for Kenya just say omuni madwuma no and this are the first time anya nipa omuni madwuma akọ vetting omon betranso wia
na e basa
and only a problem and only a
but let's give them the benefit of
and I make can say enyema o market kan omon nkruche nanka videos yi omon kipu omon ko bowe nero mind wo mo because oman enyema
onya tran akonya nso ara na afio
we be chiao na we na jiegu when him as dey fie me nsana du
and ra branch be say omo convert na mo nhwe o mafu na mo show be afu by 2 years time ye measure
but who different so enti
say ememe nyenyem kana akwa na obi fi so onyeske wo se na fuye kase
na
ade abakwa sabi wari suma so every time no
yes signs of
say young man na wo nyini na officer signs of good na ni fumpu ni kwachi na
sade na
better 40-year-old as we 50 na any fair na boys
enye say bia
it's not good living
na kese na wono ho
you will be on ma or kese wono obi said Dr. Adams our big bones osun but you're very healthy
yes
you will be see be on ma omumotu but obi on ma
very active
what say did why chon make kase check why chon check o
my you will be so can I say dem opa fa wiase aduane nyina ama wo mo
odia bi ote anote ebi ne safo ya o
papa ni se nketia
na papa se bi
nketia don pa aduane
o da bi o min ka so po me so de aduane nyina ama na
o de by nature o pa
by nature do be
safo de obedi enso hwe ma
o ni pepe o amuni skin no amudi
ye obi mutisa
anti sanko for the dia hwe ni ye
because say onya trans so obebobo a
make say bo
ma man bi appetite
eso so said what ya not
ya man bi appetite
with the mazem na wo go ken
o ma am
so na de
na ba ku bi eti hu ofi
say enye de oti ufia naturally on Ghana ha eya come say ma didi chairman ma o
ema
na ko tay won wa
say o mu nanu
na oba pa aduane a so omo yam niema no doso it is omo pa aduane a
let's not debate chawa
ma no yam niema so akoda
asante wanu sida bi te ya ceasefire
ministers na e convert no ma yam fi ani ni omu nyima na chi na mo anam Donald Trump na bi wi kakra Donald Joseph Trump
yes also wow obi information if you give an information about somebody's status $1,000
so there ejuma kese wi Ghana ejuma we dem fa
mi nua no kwa be kwa kwa report $1,000 Ghana
ti it is mo paper mo green card ni bibia na nya no ansa kota maja ejuma na me na mafiefie ni area
now report
na me report me use blacks in doors for me say aye dey ya say
e dey we say ya 10,000
so nya be 10,000 na me timi ba bi
bibiri su do be yo
akota mi bi betuma yo
okwa de omunya bada krope
Babi Joe yaw. Babi Joe.
But my name is Donald Trump there. On the almost 14 June 1964. On that very day, Donald Trump, almost Detroit, almost in Subidaho. Then there was a 2-2 home and Nipa Bay 17 week. Yeah, no more to 2 putting for a woman, you may see Yassi. So Donald Trump, one funny to Mupoensi or catch myself more to my near. Say na meye. I'm happy say do kan no.
Oh yeah.
What ye adwuma? Enti ko to aba ho. Now we Democrat. Now dey before we say be a gay in Lisbon. Enti ko to aba ma Republicans.
SUC.
And dey tie no no.
Na nu ye no ko fa ba you odo ani cheche. Ba mi tie o.
Ba ko tabi dey use America for say be o makoto aba fun.
Na dey.
Dey Donald Trump asati a wo chechiri hwe. Eno me hwehwe o ma de na me ko hu say so mo nkro ni bi wo no mo kra Canada ne supply o mo power.
Yeah.
Omo na supply omo gas ene niema bibiri
o se Canada ko be 50 feet
rade my way
What's Canada frontier now? Musa, no one 55th.
Maybe a man or didn't man Donald Trump.
To me stop no. American president.
I mean, want to say he just want to be tough. As a person,
he's making America great again.
And on tears, yes, baby, yes, ya baby Drono. American timing in isolation. Say what I so what more Americans be started. As I just over Kaya, farmers be started complaining to California.
Yeah, because the Mexicans,
yes,
and the Balkans, Eastern Europe, what thing.
And almost say America,
Georgia, Moldova, Yugoslavia, and
from the Scandinavia.
No, Scandinavia, Denmark, Sweden, Norway.
Denmark for to see so almost supply America for
Balkans, no, the Balkans, no, yes, Uncle for no. Sir, Yugoslavia, and via for no, Russia, and the former USSR for the Russia. Balkans no what day out enti omo kra no uko UK say ogina ho no mo so for Ukraine na broni pa adwuma de mema ono
because bibi ni de
obetima ye adwuma from morning to evening omre omo ye sankrofo no mo ho din omo ho din pa o omo na omo koye adwuma wo plantations no ne ade this time around enti bia omo say ranch kesiye obekọ no ye adwuma now because of this deportation here I know bebre afraid to go to work near chinu ntino osedem it now California and penifo bebre any industries bebre are starting complaining
and I say I watch me share video back one na otumi se nipa no contractor and like omo ye adwuma baby and oduro adwuma mo no
virtually everybody
obi ama and our friend the main boss no say nipa two pe omuntimi nya adwuma no be say that dey some no say it's because of Donald Trump
and the real American Nina so construction work
on one video be am here a cleaning company na we say ne nkrofo no ba be cleaning omama and out of frustration no kasa mo America for na mo say san nkrofo we ejimo adwuma na adwuma we ye de mama mo nye Monye but me wa moti abonten and am complaining and ye gi adwuma na ye gi adwuma na
adwuma ji yawe racism of the highest order they just don't under the guise of they are taking over they said the xenophobia omo no war South Africa no say Africans say jo adwuma no kono ko busa South Africa ni boy no o share tra no I share the sneakers no I share top no jira kwa ho ubie o car no atam bag adwane they don't want to work omo pa adwuma Ghana ni ko no ye adwuma no onye ska na e woni tim say nwumre otetero no akọ ni sika that kind of lifestyle America for ni bebre no they want to dress look good and go to work sa cleaning job no onye
akuta baby e ho say me kura meti kumase yesi ya meti yi ye fi say ye wadwuma bi wo ho no ma me
we are indigenous ade no
onye e wo baby
obi be fi baby abaye ne simple
yenti ase
say emubu mare ai wo say pamo mo ko man say amanfo pe mare be fufu sa
na ma mo renfu eno kwa ya de enko a
say amanfo
sa di je fo mubu mare eno so be
enko say ya start ya complain say so mo do so ma omo ma nyina udu traffic light Ghana
abi eno de sa komo yaw eno de you be project
akwara nkete na
I'm telling you
eno omo ma me no mo
obi no se da kofa omo ba no omo gukwa ho a day sa coins na omo de ko no se ye ka kirew obi sika onya ahomache be 536 no anu amo
no atete ama nkwala na di
da se kese ni ohwie gum no ahwie stew na guso enam ka ho bibia nka ho na nkwala ni guo na akwa omo moa ni say when the survival of the fittest so no ma so magu nti ni by nwumre no na nkwala ni disika no obi akwa bia 2 cities we nya 20 coins no mo de aba ya catch social welfare for the peripheral bebre
so musi abo no
but
sa kwala na so asogu omko omo nyina enkrofo bi project
egu omko ho omode
ah ona madum so opa ba bi ado
edum ewura benesi
wa bra manso
ya so enti Amoakohene woni say
akota Dr. Frank Amoakohene me yemo na baso congratulations enra I was so proud send you see eto no bo nsem de bia no especially when omo ebusa na say entuma na efra no no didn't the say and their interpretation entuma no wo and say you see ekire entuma ne mu no manage pa and the calmness odi nsem na no ene ade asem when na ofi say ha say no me nye too much endowed e ho no no ohun kwan a obefa so ano ba bi o ye endowed so no ohun say o kire sa ade ne minim ena o chechirem ede ama eye Ghana for and me mo Dr. Frank Amoakohene Abaso he did so well enra vet no koye and ohun say o ya abreast with current situations e wukumase ene region na obamu no in terms of project abanda da ne de nsakan ya asante o mantimi anwie de ebia percentages ababi adrodro ni ade eno ohun say o kasa de fasa ne ma ne nyina ho na ono atu the party for say it shouldn't be tete hono mo de na NDC say Ashanti region ye stronghold nti no ye ba ebia ye limit ne ma bi ne ade ne ma bi wono ma ye ba be yi ni some person mo capture region no na omo je region no ema region no so be another stronghold of the party ya ombetime the development I to sana mono and Asantemai has shown last elections NDC from 3 seats to 4 seats ababedu 7 seats say bia omo toa so ye niema bi e de akọ certain areas and certain constituencies bia ohwe margins wo ho no no a ombetimi enya more than that but akonta ade ba ko a me de mesre say appointees a call vetting ni nyina Dr. Frank Amoakohene regional ministers no and lands and natural resources minister ni ade akonta mesra de ba ko de ato parliament nim say the appointment committee of parliament no omadwuma ni kwan say ekoko si say ya ye vet na wie ye de akọ the floor of parliament ya approve omo eno an na say appointment committee ye hu de omo ye bia akonta asem when na ye koye nim no these guys to say Dr. Frank Amoakohene betena omanimu a obobo nsem so obokrofru market obokijetia market obosome interchange ene say oka say president ebetwa homamu wie ya okoye no ohun say Caesars no say apaso na yere obekwa akohwe amom de ye no akota ebi appointment committee no asem when needed so ensem a sa di pe betena omanim be kaye no ebi they should go and they should do a follow up so no mon kai ne say obaye no o ka kire say obeye wei aye way ebia 2 years in here and the chronology intida
so that is what sometimes they do. They will call the minister and then and a question will be put.
Most cases sector minister regional minister
no, but if you if you're a member of parliament in Ashanti region when you put a question before parliament, they will invite the minister to come. Yes, no minister. Yeah, what I'm telling you is no minister. Most often than not, when it happens, they will call the interior minister because Omufi said the regional minister has given him briefing. But if a member of parliament insists that they want Amoakohene to come to parliament to answer, he will come.
Sir,
no minister. No minister.
Minister.
It is not cabinet ministers who are invited. Sir, see, now parliament if he said was a regional minister being Semanua. They put a question. Speaker will invite him to come. Even if he refuses, he can be subpoenaed.
But should go beyond question. Who the question to parliament? They'll find a nice way to. But this committee should be in a form of a check and balance.
No. Then you are calling for a review of the constitution.
The review appointment committee. Yeah,
the appointment committee do not. Additional.
Oh, where the
the appointment committee, if you are asking for something, then we are telling the the parliament said the appointment committee should be given extra powers or extra work. Say after vetting, they can even interrogate or call on a minister to come and explain one or two.
Yes.
And no, I am right. Yes, say it from me. It is above the remit of which you operate. I
could tell you that make us going forward. Young Fasani money being cut the appointment
committee. Constitutional Review Committee. No, Omani and Cancer.
I could away
Yahweh. Eti dia who can in dia who can court down Emran so na de bejo
Emranwa regional minister bi na obako
parliament bi
obako CDC for instance we know a regional minister definitely
he should be invited.
I was say
na make say
interim minister no
na make say Asante every bia ni wa Ghana ha say we invite regional minister eni so oko
Ejakuta Adentina over the years
because it has not come to the attention of members of parliament.
Lawyers ni anyansa for bebrebe omugu parliament way since 1992 and omuhu
ya musu asem o ya akotwe asem aba a lawyers ni anyansa for bebrebe omugu Ghana a omugu hoyi ye giran
enye ni de
enti afa di asem na be ka we ya say there
akota say opa they should have done it.
You better from the electoral commission.
Because their interest.
Even IGP crowd friend is for cover interior minister so no parliament.
Very good.
So certain people are saying
so you can invite the regional minister through the chief of staff. Obeba.
Na chief of staff name akonta yem friend no. Nti me my friend say
no, if you want to answer question, open say regional minister be yin sembia no a. Parliament has every right can even subpoena that minister. Obeba by young for no nim adwene say asema si wa Ashanti region police military defense minister na also ko ya no ejina yaseye bia local government DC bia asem esi enti no was say local government minister na but me say Asante if a member of parliament wants to invite a DC to come to parliament to answer and parliament feels say although also omodene ba omobetimi atro say omra through the local government minister say they want to meet the ombeso no oba so odi agora ombetimi supino through a high court. The parliament there is almost a high court. When they subpoena you, you have to come. But also most of the time yamana koye a status quo, a convention. Other deputy minister cross on to me konko yasamano.
Yes, o minister no want to me.
Which is wrong. And not today because the constitutional review committee no. Constitutional review committee no. I was so moye niam bi sa ti dia wo ka no.
Akotati on said ye kan nyina nkomo aye di nyina de ba bi say emre bi asema me ka say me fees Ashanti regional ministers ba bi o hono mo a emfaso ni so no say e ba bi si so.
Acha ndi emfaso also. Ricardo.
Akotati say o Ashanti regional minister ni entime
Ricardo for what to say.
Na
emfaso. Akotati. We do we have more tia no.
Akotati any say there's a committee enye a constitutional review asemo. You see there's a standing order in parliament. Mo kwan so mo yes ade we.
Emom kwan so mo ye de.
So mo ye de ye can make appointment committee asem any ade there's a standing order.
A standing order which order? Until it is read to me, I don't buy it. Any audio copy
but there's a standing order. Also there's a committee. Makwan say omo form that there no mo enye follow up on omo niam omo.
All right, we will look at the appointment committee, their functions. Ricardo, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you? What's happening in the world of sports?
Former player be crying. Cocaine in your money.
Oh, Kasa Santiago. Oh, let me hear Madame for no. Ricardo is on the floor.
Rajani Angolan, former Belgium midfielder.
What quite
they say cocaine.
Radio Antwerp.
He is into cocaine.
Yes, allegedly. It's over 30,000 homes as
almost radio ho and Nangolan. Almost say Colombia.
Now almost a sabi war Asante. What is this?
Antwerp.
And
ya power
okay.
Former player name some kakra no and so no.
Yanji Angola na wa tattoo no be
the was ya tattoo no when the was ya no.
What so ball?
As for no say mafia be
e woni din ya say o funi pa bi na say oh You know.
I just said the course in your
I've gone so basso, but Ghana the woman
Sompa.
Your coach in Kobe. Ya ka say the young Kobe.
Okay,
your coach be.
Yes, Kosi Apia. So what is Sudan?
Former coach.
I can see a former coach and can see a coach.
Ah, okay.
Okay,
Because a Ghana coach.
Ghana coach. Oh, a Ghana coach.
Now because I brand tell them say
Otuado.
and Okohebi.
O send the anyone of Okohebi legend.
Oh,
A GFA boss no so ba Okohebi.
Is it cry a person say betimi ato Obama no say we go akọ mo mbe shemra wo calf esku. Calf no. Kato krago. To ma ha bibia won agina tum. To mo to Obama na calf. We go akọ esku members wo calf.
Jom ko to Obama.
We go akọ ndino
Eni onya be ye wie kra de ne o be kase na achievement ye hu bi da. Papa ba ye ho. Hwe oba ye mpie se ni.
Oh, so what trying the first 4 years no twice wa okwa until the second term no okwa.
I can tell you say Ketokroku Trance no hwe ne memu a.
Sompa FM.
What the Ghana football